All right, how to simplify / reduce a fraction. I wrote both words because they both mean the same thing. Simplify and reduce are basically the same thing, or so is getting it to lowest terms. That doesn't mean that you're making the fraction smaller. What it means is that you're taking a fraction and you're simplifying it back down to the smallest possible version it can be, but it's not really actually smaller. So let me show you an example. Let's say I take the fraction 10 over 100, okay? So I have 10 over 100 right here. I'm going to show you how to simplify this down to an equivalent fraction, but it looks different. So if you looked at the other video, when we took a fraction and we made an equivalent fraction, we actually took that thing and multiplied it and we made those numbers actually bigger. We're going to do the opposite here. So what you want to do is you want to find a number that multiplies to make the top and the bottom. For instance, I could use a 2 here. 2 makes 10. 2 makes 100. I could use a 5. 5 makes 10. 5 makes 100. But I could also use a 10. 10 makes 10. 10 makes 100. The biggest number that you can find is always going to be the best one. So I'm going to use 10 for this one. So I'm going to divide by 10 and divide by 10. Once again, that's 10 over 10, which actually makes a 1 whole. So we're really dividing this whole thing by 1. That's why it doesn't change the value. So here's what's going to happen. 10 goes into 10 one time. 10 goes into 100 10 times. So my reduced simplified fraction of 10 100ths is 1/10. How do I know it's simplified? This is how. Nothing multiplies to make 1 and 10 other than 1. So I know it's completely simplified. And thank you.